Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon. Ang 25 dirhams ng Qatar. Mayroon taon na 2003. So, share ko lang sa inyo guys ang kanyang history at saka ang kanyang value. Dahil napakaganda rin na malaman din natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Qatar. Qatari currency or Qatari Riyal Historian Facts. The official currency of Qatar is the Qatari Riyal or QAR, which is divided into 100 dirhams. The Qatar Riyal has been the country's currency since 1973, within it replaced the gold rupee. The banknotes come in the denomination of 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, and 500 riyals, while the coins come in denomination of 1, 5, 10, 25, and 50 dirhams. This article explores the history of the Qatari Riyal or QAR. Qatar's official currency. It covers the currency history, such as its origin before the Qatar's independence, the crucial adoption of the QAR, its integration into the Gulf Cooperation Council, and the ongoing impact of it to US dollars. Historical journey of Qatar currency. Qatari currency journey has been on an interesting one, starting with the Indian rupee as its currency until 1966 in the form of gold rupees. When India devalued rupee in 1966, Qatar, along all the other states using the gold rupees, decided to introduce its currency, the Qatar Dubai Riyal or QDR. The pound sterling continued to provide cover for the new currency on December 2nd, 1971. Dubai became a part of the UAE. In 1995, the Qatar Central Bank was established to regulate and oversee the country's financial system. The bank issued a new series of banknotes in 2003 with improved security features, including a hologram strip. In 2017, Qatar faced a diplomatic crisis with several Arab countries. Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, and the UAE imposed a blockade on the country. This led to a shortage of physical cash in the country as many banks in the blockades or blockading countries refused to exchange Qatari Riyal. To address this, Qatar's central bank introduced the new 500 Riyal banknotes with enhanced security features and a new design to encourage the use of electronic payments. Today, the Qatari Riyal remains a stable and widely accepted currency in the region, with a strong peg to the US dollars and as well a regulated financial system overseen by the Qatar Central Bank. History of coins. Until 1966, Qatar used the Indian rupee, especially the gold rupee, as its currency. However, when India devalued the rupee that year, Qatar, like other states using the gold rupee, decided to introduce its currency. Before this transition, Qatar temporarily used the Saudi Riyal, and then in 1966 introduced the Qatar and Dubai Riyal under the Qatar-Dubai Currency Agreement. This new currency was initially equivalent to the gold rupee before its devaluation and was pegged to the British sterling. However, following Dubai's incorporation into the United Arab Emirates in the 1973, Qatar started issuing the Qatari Riyal independent. The old notes coexisted with the new ones for 90 days before being withdrawn from circulation. In 1966, Qatar and Dubai introduced coins in denomination of 1, 5, 10, 25, and 50 dirhams. However, in 1973, following Qatar's issuance of its currency, a new series of coins was released exclusively in Qatar's name. These coins maintains the same sizes and composition as the earlier series. Currently, only the 25 and 50 dirhams coins are commonly in circulation, although the smaller denominations remain legal tender. The coins features Qatari emblem depicting two crosswords and a ceiling shape or dome on waves near on the island with palm trees. The 25 dirham coin has a diameter of 20 mm and a mass of 3.2 grams, and it's made of nickel-clad steel with a reeded edge. The 50 dirham coin is slightly larger with a diameter of 25 mm, a mass of 5.8 grams, and a similar composition and age. Both these coins were first minted in the year 2000. Ito yung pictures ng ating 25 dirhams guys na mayroong taon na 2003. Ang issuer nito ay Qatar. Emir Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, 1995 hanggang 2013. May type siya na standard circulation coin at may taon na 1421, 1424, 2000, 2003. Kalendar Islamic Hijri. Value 25 dirhams. Sa Pilipinas guys ay nagkakalaga ito ng 3 pesos and 82 centavos. Ang kanyang currency naman ay real. 1973 ang kanyang date. Composition ito guys ay copper nickel. May timbang siya na 3.5 grams. At ang kanyang diameter naman ay 20 mm. Ang thickness ay 1.59 mm at meron siyang shape na round. At ang kanyang technique ay mild. Meron siyang orientation na middle alignment. At mayroon ding number na A number 15522. Ang kanyang reference number ay KM number 8. Ito yung ating overs guys. Ang dates on top, old emblem of Qatar consisting of a sailing ship, abdu, sailing on a waves beside an island with a palm trees, 2 palm trees. Meron siyang script na Arabic. At ang kanyang lettering naman ay Arabic words. Ang translation, 2003, 1424, State of Qatar. At ito naman guys ang ating reverse, ang likuran. State name in English and denomination in both Arabic and English. Meron siyang script na Arabic and Latin. At ang kanyang lettering naman, 25 dirhams Arabic words. State of Qatar. Translation, 25 dirham, State of Qatar. Age, reeded. Men's, Royal Men's, Lantrisan, United Kingdom, 1968. Ang ating 2003 guys, 1424 ay 64%. At mayroon siyang price galing sa ating enomista.com na 27 pesos ang very fine, 41 pesos ang extra fine, 60 pesos ang about uncirculated at 100 pesos ang kanyang uncirculated. Dito naman tayo guys sa